Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Also from All Amazing Animals, we will be posting a video this Wednesday and this Saturday. So go and check that out. So we are talking about potential, well, tropical depression, Cristobal, 30 miles per hour. Minimum central pressure around 1992, which makes no sense. It should have gone up in my opinion. And moving north to northeast at 25 miles per hour. So if you do the math, north, east, and then more moving this way. That is where it's moving. Don't you dare attack me. So 25 miles per hour. So as we see as the IR satellite, we still have that rotation, but we have a big bulk of what we have right here, and that is where we have the largest bit of convection, but as we see it is dying down, and yeah. So blood pressure is right somewhere in this general area. Well, it's somewhere in this map. So as we see here, we do see that it has been moving on up. Also, if whenever there is a large enhanced risk or a large risk from stuff, as in today, as a 10% risk for tornadoes, I will be doing a live coverage later today. Also, go check out my Random News Space Center. That is where we will have a live stream, for a long time on where the ISS is. Unless if you guys tell me to do a different satellite, then I will do a different satellite until for like a few hours, and then I'll trade it back. So as we see, a few models do show some tropical storm winds once again, but most models are showing mainly general down in there. I think my model is definitely going to be the DSHP model, not going up except at one time and then just staying like literally the exact same. So this is the GEFS ensemble model 994. Also, here's a comment for the day. So you guys comment down below, and I will shout you out, and I will choose my favorite. Do you think tropical depression Cristobal will be a tropical storm? And give me a reason why, and then I'll see. My opinion is it might be right on the borderline. So we see it does get up to 986 to 977 and then just dies on out, but a lot of the models say it's going to go at 4, but that's what the main models, but most models say it's going to die there at the 987 millibar mark, which is 48 hours from now. So this is the 03L model track. So we see that it goes up. Some models say that it's going to go all the way. And then if it does keep on going, some models say it's going to keep on going up, and other models says it's just going to keep on going out east, sorry. So this is the GEPS model. So we see that's gonna go on out, and then die around whenever it gets onto land, and then keeps on going until the 120-hour mark, and that's kind of where everybody is, you could say, dying. So this is the NAM model with the satellite. So we can definitely see some possible severe rain for parts of Illinois, Missouri, Iowa, Wisconsin, Minnesota, and the Upper Peninsula, and possibly some parts of Indiana, and maybe some parts of Kentucky, like at the beginning hours. So so we So looking at this model, it doesn't really show a lot, but let me reload it because it has been a while. So this is the latest model that we have. So we see that it's mainly going to put some very strong rain bands and rain for parts of Des Moines, Iowa, and Rapid City. And moving on over to New Illinois, Minnesota, and Wisconsin. So this is the GFS model. The GFS model also says some heavy rain for parts of Illinois and Minnesota. And then we see that's in 4 hours, and then we see it kind of dies on out. This is what the CMC model says. CMC says it's located right there going on up, and then poop. That's what most models are showing. Eh. Possible Dolly. um. So this is the humidity model. So we see it gone up, and then kind of doesn't really show as a low threshold, and then just kind of pushes up with this little, you could say, cold front type thing. So it pushes on up, but with the the humidity is pretty good, except whenever it gets up into Canada, the southern side won't be the best, but the northern side, wow, that's some good humidity. Guys, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Also, go check out my random news space center, and we'll see you in the next video.